We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Welcome to our Hakka lesson of the day. Ngai He Joseph Ling.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
And recently, I've been doing a lot of research about Hakka because I'm really highly interested in the Hakka culture. And I found out there's a lot of stuff and towns and culture in the county of Yunlin 啊，对不对？
有啊。
Alice 能不能来介绍？
好，啲雲林縣嘅梅林沙區哦，也有一個那個文物館。第八度呢，就收藏200人天嘅早期農作物嘅東西啦，還有200人種嘅老相片。
什么？我听了很震惊，突然间我不得不笑。
怎么？
你怎么那么开放啊？我们这是合家观赏、收听的家庭节目，不能露胸啊！
老相片是老照片。
Oh, is that?
你想太多了。
我真的想太多了。Alice just did a report on what you can do or places you can go to in Yunlin County, and at the end, and I thought she said exposing nudity photos or nudity. She said no, 露胸片. It really sounds so weird. It sounds like 露胸片，但是不是，它是老相片老照片。And then earlier you said 什么东西杀气啊？刚刚你的梅林杀气
哦，梅林沙區。
对啊，杀气啊，很有杀气的地方吗？
不是社區。
哦，社区。Saki. So this is a place in Yunlin. Okay, it's called Meiling Community. That's what it is, Saki. The Meiling Community, and they have a museum there for farming equipment and apparatus. And that's a place that you can visit while you're over in Yunlin. And they have a lot of old photos. 露胸片。或者露胸片。这样子可以吗？好啦。胸片就是相片嘛。Okay. You can see a lot of historic photos, old photos basically in this museum. And this museum is called 客家農村鄉土文物館，對不對？
客家農村鄉土文物館。
客家農村鄉土
文物館。
文物館。Okay, that's a particular farming museum that you can find in this township, in this community. It's the Hakka Farming Equipment Museum. There you go. So next time you visit down south around the Yunlin area, now you know you can see a lot of 露胸片.
Okay.
That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.